On today's episode,
in the spirit of Valentine's Day, a bunny, let's hop on in.
How can I make it through to you when these silly little words are all that I've got? We can try to just pretend I could hold you once again, 'cause I'm scared of feeling lost tonight. When I wake up, it's you that I think of. It's true, it's so obvious, but I'm holding back because you don't want me like I want you. You don't feel me like I feel you. Oh no. And I must confess that you don't touch me like I touch you. Never blush, baby, when I kiss you, but you don't. And I must confess that I wish I'd find someone new and forget about you. 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 There's only so much that we can save, like a storyline and a few cliches. When we break up, it's true that I'm making up this through. I don't wanna pass the buck, but we're in this place because you don't want me like I want you. You don't feel me like I feel you. Oh no. And I must confess that you don't touch me like I touch you. Never blush, baby, when I kiss you. You don't. And I must confess that I wish I'd find someone new. You're the sweetest love I ever had, and missing that is why I feel so sad. I've been holding on in case there was something we could fix, but it's over now. Yeah, it's all over now. Touch you, never blush, baby, when I kiss you. You don't, and I must confess that I wish I'd find someone new and forget about you. I can feel them, they're fading away. Oh my heart away. Went a bit too far, so wrong. Oh no, open up my soul, but babe, how could I know you're cold? Shame on you, should have seen what you were like, dangerously nice. You got me all lost, so blinded. You got me all lost, listen to my heart. I gotta be lost, surviving. Now you're all gone, 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 my friend. Oh Lord, I guess you fooled me once, but I ain't falling twice. All lies. Oh Lord, I ain't gonna run. My rise has just begun. I'll shine. Shame on you. Should have seen what you were like, dangerously nice. You got me all lost, so blind. You got me all lost, listen to my heart. I gotta be lost, surviving. Now you're all gone, 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 my friend. Baby, ghosts will come around. I'm still walking, I'm still proud. I never lost it, I never lost it, I never lost it, baby. Baby, ghosts will come around. I'm still walking, I'm still proud. I never lost it, I never lost it. Baby, ghosts will come around. I'm still walking, I'm still proud. I never lost it, I never lost it, I never lost it, baby. Baby, ghosts will come around. I'm still walking, I'm still proud. I never lost it, I never lost it.
All right, let's see if we can keep our voice smooth. This was a lot of fun. I was trying to make this bunny as cute as possible with them big wide eyes, them cute buck teeth. I was trying to keep a balance between simple and complicated. If this little guy doesn't warm your heart, I'm not really sure you have a heart to begin with. I did put a noticeable error, mainly because it was too damn adorable. It's a hidden image. I'm certain it's obvious, but that's the clue. But alright, I hope everyone has a fantastic, lovely, sensual, beautiful, sexy Valentine's Day. Whether you're alone or with your significant other or multiple couples. Stay safe, enjoy, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, ring the bell, and stay groovy.